should you enable the blue light filter on your Android phone? Let's talk about this feature. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this is a pretty standard feature which works on multiple different devices, like we have it on the iPhones or computers, right? And the whole point of this is that it reduces eye strain, right? So the question of whether you should enable it or not is based on your preferences and how it feels on your eyes when you're looking at the screen, especially during night, right? So the whole thing is that you can enable it on your Android phone I personally use it by this blue light filter application where I can just enable it like that. And, it's just not like one setting which you turn on and you're done. You can as well adjust the temperature and the intensity right here. So if you feel like you want to use it, but kind of like want to customize it, or perhaps don't want to have it too yellow or too much blue light filtered, whatever, you can set it up according to your own preferences. So that's the nice thing about it. So perhaps you want to use it, but you want to, for example, customize it the way that you want it. So I would, for that purpose, use this kind of application. So, if you should use it, it depends on you, as I mentioned. So if you want to give it a try, just download the app from the App Store, from the Google Play Store, of course, and you'll be able to set it up for free, give it a try. And if you feel like you don't want to use it, just don't enable it or just delete the app altogether, right? So I personally like that feature. If you ask me, it makes it easier to fall asleep, to be honest, because the blue light is not ideal for you during night. So that's why the feature exists. So give it a try, and yeah, let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and kind of like quick explanation videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.